Hello friends, let's make a yummy and tempting birthday cake with chocolate cake and whipped cream, which is an irresistible combination. For making this cake we need 250 gram gluten-free all-purpose flour, 2 cups castor sugar, 3/4 cup unsweetened cocoa powder, 1 cup buttermilk or homemade dahi, half cup vegetable oil. I have used olive oil here. 1 cup freshly brewed hot coffee, or even instant coffee will do, or any other coffee of your liking. 1 teaspoon baking powder, gluten-free baking powder, 2 teaspoons baking soda, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon vanilla, 2 large eggs. And for the whipped cream topping, 1/3/4 cup whipping cream powder. To start off, we will sieve all the ingredients, all the dry ingredients. The gluten-free flour has to be sieved, then the castor sugar, unsweetened cocoa powder, baking soda, baking powder and salt. Combine all this very well. For the wet mixture, start beating the egg, add the oil, buttermilk, vanilla essence and freshly brewed hot coffee. Mix them well, mix the wet ingredients well into the dry ingredients, and with a cut and fold method, get a smooth batter. Now preheat the oven at 180 degree and spread this mixture into 3 lined tins. Now since I did not have 3 lined tins, I had to do with 1/4 of the batter in a single pan and 3/4 of the batter in another pan. Both tins at 180 degrees for 35 to 40 minutes depending on the amount of batter. Deeper pan took 45 minutes to cook. Check with the skewer. If it comes out clean, then cake is cooked. Cool the layers properly before starting any decoration. For whipped cream frosting, add 1 cup water to whipping cream powder. Whip mixture to stiff peaks either in a stand mixture or handheld mixture. You may also use handmade whipping creams available in market. Now the cakes are cooled. Take them out and cut cooled cakes with bread knife or a very long knife into 4 layers. For decoration, put them on a cake stand or on a flat plate. After cutting the cakes, drench each layer with sugar syrup. I have used a 50-50 mix of maple syrup and water for this. Transfer whipped cream into a large piping bag. Spread on each layer, smoothen with a flat knife. And if desired, this is optional, you can add pineapple or any other canned fruit or fresh fruits of your liking after each layer of cake. Press the second layer down. Press it well and repeat the same process. Drench with maple syrup solution. Spread whipped mix. Spread fruits. Press down. Next layer of cake. Repeat this same process for all the 4 layers of cake. And finally, you can spread whipped up cream on the sides as well, and decoration is as per your expertise. You may decorate it or just serve this cake with a topping of chocolate shavings. Now I have made some florets on this and decorated with canned cherries and other chocolate shavings or other fruits. Do try this easy and finger-licking cake, which will be loved by each member of your family and friends. Please do share and subscribe to Gluten Free India for more such recipes. Thank you.